That rage blew a hole in him, man. Welcome to Turkey Camp 2022. About 11 o'clock, we're going to eat a sandwich, and then we're going to head out to the east side there. We took a lap around. We saw the birds were back in the back field. A couple years ago, I came out and did the same thing. About 11 o'clock, we took a lap, saw them back there. We got out to the east blind, called to them, Chris, and they came right through the woods. So,
running.
This is Chris's first time turkey hunting. So the good thing about turkey hunting, you can do it all day.
Yeah.
It's a great thing. So we're going to get a bite to eat, and we'll see you back out in the blind here in about half an hour, okay?
Yes. Smoking.
Can't stop. Get it.
You guys, this is Chris's first bird. You've never turkey hunted. He always comes up for deer hunting, and now he's living in Indiana. I said, you got to come to the farm. I know we got birds. And like you saw earlier, we were out this morning. We had them gobbling on the roost. I had no time to come down here and do any scouting. And Chris, we just got, how long were we in here?
Oh, maybe 10 minutes, 15 tops.
We got out about 10:45, got up, went up, ate a sandwich, took a lap around the block. We saw 2 toms in the backfield, and I think these 2 jakes that came in. And, you know, Chris's first bird, I told him, they're shooters. Jakes are shooters. I mean, for your first bird, you get an opportunity on the first day hunting with, what gun is that, Chris?
Grandpa's 12 gauge.
Chris is using his grandpa's 12 gauge, and you guys out there that have hunted with your dads and your grandpas, you know how important that is. And when they're no longer with us, it's sad, but it's a way to keep their memory alive. Chris is awesome. Let's see that thing.
Remington 870.
Oh, meat and skillet, the old 870 is beautiful. I mean, it's just amazing. You know, as everybody knows, I never got to hunt with my dad. And I never even knew my grandfathers. So for Chris to do that is really neat for me. It's really emotional, man. It's neat. We're gonna get out and check the bird out. We'll be out there at the bird in a minute.